Hello everybody, I want to show you one of my favorite watches from Enicar. It is a very uncommon watch, I would say, because the case is quite extraordinary. It's a 40mm case in size. On the back we see the dolphin from Enicar and the planet Saturn. The watch is very mirror-like, if I can say so. It has its original Enicar buckle and a wonderful, beautiful, crispy green dial. It's one of my favorite watches, though I normally like the classical styles, but this one is so nice. I really love this watch. As I said, it's quite big for those days, with 40mm, not counting the crown. The crown is also original, of course. And yeah, it's a really nice watch. It has an automatic in-house movement from Enicar. Real watch freaks know this brand, and it starts getting more expensive every month, I would say. For this special model, most sellers that you can find in the web take around 400 to 800 euros, while I think 400 is maybe a good price for it, but I wouldn't pay more for that watch, me personally, at least not. The movements were great. I don't open it now because you need to have a special case opener for this one. For Enicars in general, they all have these case bags with these edges here. You can see here, wonderful case bags all together, I would say. So I hope you like this watch as much as I do. This is a watch I will never ever sell again, and I really do love it. It's not in perfect shape, but in quite good shape, I would say. The slight scratches on the dial, you normally don't see them. It normally, if you look on the dial without a camera, you cannot see any scratch or anything like that. Also, the same thing with the case. Mirror polished case, as I said already. And yeah, the loop width is 22mm. While it's quite hard to fit a strap in these loopholes, because the spring bars here are very narrow to the round part of the case where the movement is inside. I hope you understand what I mean here. And so you can't, at least not easily, put a steel bracelet on it, because that would be too fat to fit the spring bar into the holes. It's quite hard, at least I tried, but I didn't succeed. I'm going to make more videos of my Enicar collection the next weeks or months. This might be the cheapest watch one of the cheaper watches, at least, as the real legends from Enicar are quite expensive those days, and much more expensive than these watches, which don't have the Sherpa name on it. But I see no difference in the quality between Sherpa signed Enicar watches or watches which don't have the Sherpa on them. Well, that's it for now. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, see you next time. Bye.